Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good
Now we
morning,
start
ma'am.
our today's class. Yes, good morning. Migdat, I want you to be at your place. If you roam in the whole room, so sorry for you will not understand what the teacher is teaching. He left the place. So good morning. So you children know that
Good morning, ma'am.
in our last class we have already started about the pictograph. Where they sit properly. The picture representation of the data जहां हमें pictures बनानी होती है. Have you understood? Pictures representation. There are, you have learned only one type of pictograph on that day. There are two different types of pictographs we will learn. What is the difference in different two types of pictograph? Is on that day you have learned that we are making the pictures in this way. Means your data is here, right? And you were making the pictures. This is sleeping way you were making the pictures. It's called the horizontal pictograph. This is called the horizontal pictograph. Sleeping lines, these are horizontal lines. तो आप जब pictures बना रहे थे, you were making pictures in a horizontal way. Yes, so this is called horizontal pictograph. Children, any query you have to write in the chat box, and whenever I ask any question, that also you have to write in the chat box. So this is called horizontal pictograph. Now my question is, which pictograph is this when you are drawing the pictures in a sleeping way? This pictograph is called which pictograph? Please write it in the chat box. Write the proper spelling horizontal, HORIZONTAL. This is called horizontal pictograph.
Okay.
Write in the chat box. Everyone has to write the spelling of horizontal. Arna, we are not here for sleeping because you enjoy your maths class, and then when I send the worksheets, many of the questions and answers are wrong. Horizontal pictograph. When you draw the pictures on the horizontal line, means on the sleeping way you are drawing the pictures. This is called, thank you children, horizontal pictograph. Now comes to the vertical pictograph. When you are drawing the pictures vertically, you can open your textbook page number, just a minute, I'll tell you. Page number 167. I will write the page number in the chat box. No one will ask the page number again and again. 167. 167 page number. On that page number, you can see that the pictures are drawn vertically. Vertically means standing way. This type of L shape is given to you, and on the horizontal line you have to write the names. For example, in your book it is given that preparing for the class drama, connecting from 166. Read from page number 166. Trisha, can you read the page number 166?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Your voice is not coming. I will move to next child. Vivan Patel, please read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
read the
Preparing
page
for
number.
Which page number? Ma'am, there
166.
is no light
Vedi,
button.
I already told that you will not ask same question again and again. It is given in the chat box which page number you have to open. 166 and 167. Both the pages.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, Vivan, start.
Preparing for the class drama. All children of a class are getting ready for a drama. Some children
Look into your books, my dear children. I request you, if you don't look into your books, if you don't have books with you, you will not able to understand.
Ma'am, I could not hear the page number. Can you repeat?
Page number is there in the chat box there. Yeah, please open the chat box.
Ma'am, now you can hear me.
We shall let Vivan read now. Yes, Vivan.
Some are busy collecting the dresses. Some are bringing tables and chairs to make it.
Yes. So preparing for the class drama, all children of a class are getting ready for the drama. Some children are acting, some are busy collecting the dresses, and some are bringing tables. So this is the information which is given to us, and this is now the pictograph is already given to us on page number 167. So on that pictograph, key is also given there. That one triangle shows how many children. Please write in the chat box. One triangle is showing how many children? 3 children. Yes. So now by looking at this pictograph, because here you can see the pictures are drawn vertically, means standing line. In a standing line, the pictures are shown here drawn, and then you have to read this pictograph and you have to give the answers of the following question. And the key is saying that this picture represents or shows how many children? 3 children.
3 children.
So please note, when the vertical pictograph is given to us, the pictures have been drawn vertically, standing mein hogi. It can be in this form or they can cover this in this form also. So don't get confused why this is covered, why this is not open. Just you have to see that pictures have been drawn vertically, then it is a vertical pictograph. And when pictures have been drawn horizontally in a sleeping way, then it is a horizontal pictograph. So here the names will come, and on this line, the vertical line, numbers will come. Number always on vertical line, number of children or whatever, the information which is given in the numbers will be shown on vertical line. So when the numbers are shown in the vertical line, means the pictures related with these numbers are shown on the vertical line. So this is showing, the first is for acting, second is for collecting dresses, and then playing music, and then making the set. So now by looking at this pictograph, there are few questions given in your textbook also. I will ask one by one. Please write the answer in the chat box. If one child has given the answer one time, they will not repeat again and again. Okay? If Vivan has given one time answer, then Vivan will not give the answer again and again. He will sit quiet, wait for the others, and wait for the teacher will say the answer is right or wrong. First is, how many children are acting in the drama? So acting means that is drama here only. So how many are acting in drama? Reading this pictograph, because one is 3, next is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and the another is 3. It is total 9 students are acting. You will not say 3. This each is for 3. So as you know that we were calculating the numbers by multiplying 3 pictures, and each picture is 3, that is 9. So first of all, we will solve it in this way. So 2 pictures, each is 3, 6. So it will be easy to answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 3, 12. Now 1, 2, 2 into 3 is 6. After multiplying this, now when the questions have been asked from you, you can easily give the answers. Next is, which are more children making the sets or those doing acting? Which are more, making sets or doing acting? Here you will not write the number. Here you have to write the name. So the name is acting. No 6. Those who are writing 6, their answer is wrong. Because B question is writing which are more, children making the sets or those acting. So the which are more here, acting is more. So you will write for the next answer is acting. The third is what is being done by most of the children. Most means the higher number of the students have done what. So you will write the next third answer is what. Please write in the chat box and then write in your very good children. Playing music is the third answer, not acting. If you are still giving the answer for acting, please go to the third C1. What is being done by the most of the children? Most of the children means higher number of children. क्या कर रहे थे? They are doing playing music. So please write in the third one, playing music. Next is how many children are collecting dresses? Collecting dresses, the answer is 6. Here you will write 6 children, not 6 only. 6 children. How many children are first is how many children are acting drama? You will write 9 children. You will not write only 9. Riva Kataria, please pay attention what you are typing. So children, this is the thing what I am explaining you when it is asking in numbers. What, for example, it is given how many children are acting in drama. So you only will, if you write 9, your answer will be wrong. What 9? I am not aware what 9. What are 9 is this? 9 are children. So you have to write 9 children, 6 children, or the name if they're asking, then you have to write the complete name. Have you all understood? Show me thumbs up. So you have understood what is the vertical pictograph. When pictures are shown in the vertical form, then it is a vertical pictograph. Now I will show you, I will present the screen and ask few questions related to the vertical pictograph and the simple pictograph also.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Individual doubts, when I say if there is any doubt, that time you ask, please. And stay till the last if you have a doubt. Will you able to see this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See here, the pictures are drawn vertically. The following pictures show the number of candies I got from Monday to Friday. And here the key is given, each candy equals to 1 candy. So on Monday, how many candies are there? 1. First of all, you have to solve it. Children, I am solving these questions on my board. If you don't understand, please pin on my... Don't unmute your mics, please. Right answer in the chat box. I am solving it on the board, so please click on my board screen if you want to understand how the teacher is doing. So on Monday, it is drawn vertically. So Monday, it is Monday, then Tuesday. I will always remember the names. If there are fruits names, so fruits name will come horizontally. If there are number of subjects like for English, Hindi, Maths, you are doing the pictograph on this. Then also the name part will come on the horizontal axis, and just a minute. Yeah, the name part will come on the horizontal axis and the number numerical will come on the vertical. So here they have drawn a toffees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is on Tuesday 1, 2, 3, 4. And next on Wednesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Wednesday. And then on Thursday 3. 1, 2, 3. Thursday, and then on Friday it is 3 again, 1, 2, and 3. And they say the key is stands for 1 candy each. Now question come, how many candies did I get on Monday? First of all, please write answer in the chat box. First of all, you have please pin on my board screen because I am solving the sum on my board. Now there are 6 candies, each is for 1. First of all, in every pictograph, you solve this and then you will give the answers. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1 equals to 5. 3 into 1 equals to 3. And then this is also 3 into 1 equals to 3. Once you're done by multiplying this, you will be able to give the answers. Yes.
Ma'am, you can your board is not visible properly.
Okay. Now see.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now please try to look here. So once you're done by is this visible now, Kahan?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you're done by multiplying it, it will be easy for you to give the answers.
Ma'am, the board is not visible.
I will ask Catherine ma'am. Catherine ma'am.
Ma'am, it is visible.
It is visible.
Let me ask ma'am only. Ma'am is there. You please be
In her children.
Pin on my board screen. Then only it will clearly visible. If you want to see both the pin screen and worksheet here, you will not able to see it. Then the question is, how many candies did I get on Monday? So I will write 6 only, or I will write 6 candies.
Ma'am,
6 candies.
candies, ma'am.
This answer is right. If you write this answer, this will wrong. Because
candies.
what is 6? I don't know what is 6. Once you will not write the name along with this.
6 candies.
6 candies. Yes. Next question is, how many candies did I get on Friday?
3 candies.
Ma'am, 3 candies.
3 candies. So you will write 3 candies. Full answer. Next is, how many candies did I get on Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday all together? Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday all together. So on Tuesday it was 4. On Wednesday it was 5. And on Friday it is 3. Now please add and tell me all together.
12 candies.
12 candies. Have you understood how to give the answers in the pictograph and how to read the vertical pictograph also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the next pictograph. Here are some animals, farm animals are given. Richards, a farmer, owns some farm animals. Picture graph shows the number of animals he has in a farm. Use the picture graph to answer the given question. Here the key is not given. So what you will do in this case? I will come on my screen and I will ask. Please write in the chat box. Pictures are given. Key is not given. So one picture equals to how many animals now here?
1.
Ma'am, 1.
1. It is understood. It will be 1 only. Because, yes, when key is not given, we will assume that one picture equals to 1 animal only. Have you all understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Which animal is fewest? Fewest means, now come on my presentation screen, children. Don't click on my board screen. Come on.
Can I say?
Horse.
Right.
Ma'am.
Okay. Write in the chat box. Fewest means कम. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से farm animals कम हैं? I can see here only one horse is there, so horse will come. Horse will come. Next is
Renu, ma'am.
yes. Who was saying Renu, ma'am?
Ma'am, Arya was saying.
Okay. Now go to the next question. How many goats are there? So we will count the number of goats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write only 4 or you will write 4 goats?
Ma'am, 4 goats.
4 goats.
4 goats.
Yes. If you write only 4, your answer will be wrong. Are there more chickens or cows? Which are more, chicken or cow?
Chicken.
Chicken. Yes.
Chickens.
Okay. Mute your mics now. Which animal count to 2?
Pig. Pig.
Pig. I got the answer. Mute your mics. How many animals are there in the farm? अब all animals को count करना है. Farm में कितने animals हैं? 15. My dear children, write the answer. You will face 15. Mute your mics. Mute your mics. Write in the chat box. Only 15 or 15 animals. Those who are writing only 15, their answer is wrong. And if you have given one time answer, please don't repeat again and again. And give chance to others also to listen something. Kahan, mute your mic, please. 1, 2, let me check. No one will say the answer now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 animals were there all together. So you will write 15 animals. Now come this type of pictograph also. Now here some pictures of animals are given. And you have to draw the pictograph. And by counting these animals and represent them in the vertical pictograph. So first picture is zebra. And next is
Penguin.
penguin.
Duck. Elephant.
Elephant.
Tiger.
Cat or tiger. Or the panda.
Panda.
Now, this is the incomplete table. You have to complete it by drawing. They are saying count the animals and complete the graph using one circle equals to one animal. Now, how to? First of all, you see this. Now, first is zebra. So, you need to count the number of zebras are there. 1,
Three zebras.
3 zebras. So, what you will do?
I know the full answer.
Please mute your mic. Now there, mute your mic. Mute your mic. 3 zebras are there. So you will write 3 circles here vertically. 1, 2, and then next is 3. Then come to the penguin. We will count how many penguins are there. 1, 2, 3,
4.
penguins. So how many circles? We please write in the chat box.
4.
How many circles we will draw?
We will draw 4 circles.
We will draw 4 circles. This way you will complete this, and then after complete, please mute your mic. Someone mic is on, which disturbs me a lot. After complete this table, then you have to go to next question. They are asking some question. Which animal was the most favorite? अब most favorite कैसे निकालेंगे? जिसमें circles ज़्यादा बने होंगे वही most होगा. So better we will complete this, and then we will only able to give the answer. Pin on my board screen because I am going to draw it on my board.
Tiger.
Pin on my board screen. I will draw this on my board. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there. I will write the name because I am not good in drawing. Zebra, penguin, elephant, cat, and then panda. These are the animals. So we first count the zebras. One. Are you all pin on my board screen?
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So zebras are 3. So I will.
3.
Penguin are 1, 2,
4.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next is elephants are 1, 2, 3.
3.
And then the cats are 1,
5.
2, 4, 5. You can call it cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Children, please pay you will think that this is very simple. If your countings are not done, properly, you will not able to see here. This can you all see on my present screen? Can you all pin on my present screen?
Yes,
From
ma'am.
my board screen, you go to the present screen. Now the table is full there. Yes. Yeah, I've drawn the circles also there.
Yes.
Because pandas are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 pandas are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pandas are there. Now after completing this, we can able to give the answers. Which animal was the most favorite? It was tiger. So we write tiger, not cat. But it was visible to us as a cat. So write tiger. It is tiger. The tiger was the most. Which animal was chosen one time more than the zebra? One time more than zebra.
Panda.
Guys, 3,
Panda.
4,
Penguin and panda.
Now listen.
Panda and penguin.
Listen here. Mute your mic. Laksha Thakral, mute your mic, please.
Sorry.
One more than means 4 here also in penguin and 4 in panda. So we will write both the names. If you write one name, yesterday also there is day before yesterday one worksheet was there. You have written only one name, Ahmad or Gabriel, like this 2 names were there in one worksheet. You have to write both the names. If you think answer is 2, so you write both the names. Don't think that if I write one answer, your answer will be right. No. How many NA students went to zoo? So number of the students were there. Count the animals and complete the graph.
Ma'am,
There the students, animals are given. There are no students are given, but we can't write. Okay. Each student had to choose one favorite animal. You can read the line here written. Each student has to choose one favorite animal. So after choosing one favorite animal, can we count when we have the animals counting? So can we give the answers for how many children were there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
How many animals were there? The same number of children were also there, right? Because each child has choose one animal.
20, ma'am.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If 20 animals were there, so the line which was here, each student has to choose one favorite animal. So there were 20 students. So you will not only write 20, you will write 20 students. My main motive is to explain you that you have to write the complete answer when the pictograph is there. Understood, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will give you a brief description about the pie chart. Tomorrow we will continue the pie chart in our next class. Now, what is pie chart? What is pi, first of all? Why the name of this chart is given pi, that we will later on. But what is pi? Pi क्या होता है? P-I-E. आपने सुना है कभी ये नाम?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yash will tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yash, tell me what is pi?
Ma'am?
Huh.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, I will go to the next child. Lamha, yes.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, pie is known as a dish which is made from many flavors, and up it is like a cake.
Yes, pie is a kind of a dish. Is a type of a dish, and it is made by the pastry dough only, right? But inside something filling is there. जैसे एप्पल पाई तो एप्पल का कुछ फिलिंग होता है, जैम का होता है, चॉकलेट पाई होता है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पाई सुना है आपने?
मैम लाइक चोको पाई.
या सो
मैम चोको पाई. Yes, ma'am. Choco pie.
Okay, many of you have ate the choco pie also. Why this is pie? Because something inside it is filled we have. And it is round in shape. Pie always round in. I will show you the different pictures of pie. पाई का शेप जो होता है वो राउंड में होता है, दैट इज वाई जो ग्राफ अब हम पढ़ने वाले हैं वो पाई चार्ट है, इसका नाम इसी से ही पड़ा है. जस्ट अ मिनट, आई विल शो यू द इमेज ऑफ पाई. वेट अ मिनट. This is. Can you all see here? Different type of pie is given. Am I audible? Yes. And inside something filling is there. That is why it is pie. वरना तो हम इसको केक भी कह देते, right? वरना पेस्ट्री भी कह देते. But there are different type of pies are there. Jam pie, chocolate pie, apple pie, right? And जो pie का shape होता है normally circular shape में ही होता है. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we are going to learn. For example, some information is given to you, some data are given to you, and that data are going to represent in the form of a pie. Circular, that is why we call pie graph is a circular graph. Pie is in the form of a circle and it's divided into the required number of parts. For example, the information is to you. For example, हाँ जी विहान बोलो.
I am asking that, ma'am, there is one more chapati chart. So when we will do that?
I will explain you that also. The pie chart, pie graph is also the name. Pie chart is also the name. Circle graph and circle chart is also the name of the same thing. Circle chart, circle graph. और आपके जो एनसीईआरटी में एक इंपॉर्टेंट नेम दिया हुआ है, इसको चपाती चार्ट भी कहते हैं. चपाती चार्ट क्यों कहते हैं? फ्रॉम दीज नेम्स ओनली आपको क्लियर हो रहा होगा कि ये सब चीजें सर्कुलर फॉर्म में होती हैं. हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड दिस? पाई इज ऑल्सो इन सर्कल. सर्कल चार्ट इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि सर्कल भी सर्कल फॉर्म में है, चपाती भी सर्कल फॉर्म में होती है. इसलिए एनसीईआरटी में व्हाट इज द अदर नेम यूज्ड इन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक फॉर पाई चार्ट?
Chapati chart.
Chapati chart. So chapati chart and the pie chart, pie graph, circle graph, सब एक ही है पर नाम अलग अलग है. Right? Yes, और chapati spelling is wrong. रुद्र जजड़िया, CHAPATI, chapati. Are you all clear with the different names of this chart? पर आपके अगर मैं पूछूं क्वेश्चन आए, व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ पाई चार्ट यूज इन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक? सो यू विल नॉट से पाई चार्ट, सर्कल ग्राफ. नो, द अदर नेम इज chapati chart, which is used in your NCERT book. I want that this answer should be known by everyone. What is the other name of pie chart? The other name of pie chart is chapati chart. Why this is called chapati chart? Because chapati is also in circular shape. Am I clear to you all? अब chapati chart से क्या है? That if some information is given to you, for example, mama cook a food. She cooked one chapati, and for eating that one chapati, there are 3 persons. When the data is given to you and you are going to represent that data in the form of circular, how you will represent? The data is mom cooked food and she is having one chapati only, and she needs to distribute into 3 persons. And this is the whole chapati. When this is called the whole, complete whole, you have learned in the fraction pizza also, when it is complete whole, we put it into the circular form. And when we do the parts, yes or no? When
Yes,
we do the parts of the whole, then it will be the fraction. So this is the whole. This is whole chapati, whole pizza. That is why we are representing them in the form of circle. सर्कल से आपको रिप्रेजेंट होगा कि ये जो कंप्लीट है वो होल है. होल चपाती, एक ही चपाती थी. मदर ने क्या किया, इसको 3 पर्सन में दे दिया. ये पर्सन ए को दिया, पर्सन बी को दिया, ये पर्सन सी को दिया पार्ट. नाउ बाय सीइंग दिस, बाय लुकिंग एट दिस chapati chart or the pie chart, can you give me few answers when I will ask the questions? Will you able to give? इसको देखने से आपको पता लग रहा है, कुछ दिमाग में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I will ask few questions. Please write in the chat box. By looking at, because you already have done the fraction. You already have done the fraction कि जब whole का हम part करते हैं, चपाती को divide करते हैं 2 parts में. The complete, this is from the center, this is complete what? This is complete how much part? This is
1/2.
1/2. So half को जो, the one who is writing half, that child will write half in this way, 1/2 part. अब ये तो था A का पार्ट, B और C का पार्ट कितना है फ्रैक्शन में, हम कैसे लिखेंगे? B का जो पार्ट है वो 1/4 है, C का जो पार्ट है वो 1/4 है. Now after calculating कि किसका पार्ट कितना है, now I will ask few questions. Will you able to give me answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who got the highest part of chapati?
Ma'am, the A person.
A person. Which 2 children got the same amount of chapati?
B and C.
So आपको ये निकालना आ गया किस तरीके से ये हम निकालते हैं, किस तरीके से हम पाई चार्ट को रीड करते हैं. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. सेंटर से जो लाइन डिवाइड करती है पूरे इक्वल में, then this will be the half. और नेक्स्ट हाफ को भी फिर वापस से हमने डिवाइड किया सेम इक्वल पार्ट्स में. दिस इज 1/4, ईच विल बी 1/4, राइट? यस,
I have a doubt.
हाँ जी.
Chapati chart, this is like a percentage thing. Like,
My dear, yeah, percentage, it is in with the percentage also, it is with the degrees also, but that you will learn in grade 5. Here you will relate only with the fraction. ओके आप इसको 3 तरीके से रिलेट कर सकते हैं, फ्रैक्शन से, परसेंटेज से, एंड यू कैन रिलेट इट विद द डिग्रीज आल्सो when you will learn in the grade 5, that only. But right now, because you have already, you don't know about the degrees in the grade 4, you have already learned about the fraction कि किसका कितना part होता है, how we will divide it. So in grade 4 you will only relate it with the fraction only. Am I clear?
okay. No percentage and no degrees.
No percentage, no degrees. Because if you know, you can do it.
But I
Practice
didn't
at home.
understand the fraction you did right now.
Okay, I will explain it again. I will repeat it again. No one will leave the class. Please listen here. When there is a whole, for example, if you have a whole pizza and whole को आप represent कैसे करते हैं किसी भी चीज का whole? एक complete circle से. Yes, Arya? This is your whole pizza, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And when you divide it from the center, या तो यहाँ से ऐसे divide कर दो तब भी ये half half हो गए.
Yes.
Yes. जो diameter होती है, please mute your mic. Dare, mute your mic. Dare, if you want to give me answer, you please write in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Either the diameter which divides the line from the center, and then it is dividing the circle into how many equal parts? 2 equal parts. So each part will be half. इतना आपको देखने से रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है, देखने से पता लग रहा है कि ये क्या है? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sir, yes. चाहे वो इधर से हो, whether it pass from this way diameter or this is also diameter, then also this is half, this is half. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. When the circle is being divided into 2 equal parts, for example, see, I will represent it with the my fraction kit also. See, this is ये सर्कल का हाफ है, ये भी सर्कल का हाफ है. Yes, and when you turn it in this way, then also the same thing, because it's dividing the circle into two equal halves. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? अब now you please pay attention here. अब एक को तो उसने हाफ दिया, बाकियों को उसने 1/4 दिया. आपको इससे इतना ये भी क्लियर है? जब आप हाफ का भी हाफ करते हैं, इस हाफ को मैंने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया था. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग? I have divided this half into two equal halves. Then that's why each got 1/4. You do this thing at home. Take one chapati. Try to explore it. जब मैं उसको कैसे हाफ करोगे, आप उसको हाफ कैसे देखोगे, चपाती को सेंटर कैसे निकालोगे और चपाती का, take one chapati and fold it. Take one chapati and fold it in this way. उसको सेंटर में से फोल्ड करोगे. For example, assume I don't have right now that thing. I will explain you. जिस तरीके से आप पेपर का सेंटर कैसे निकालते हो, right? This way. This is the whole. This paper is the whole. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
When I divide it into two equal parts, and I will divide how? First, I will match it and then put like this line, and then this is also half and this is also half. आप चपाती को भी ऐसे करके देखना, and then आपको उसको further और divide करना है, किसी और को भी देना है. Then what you will do? What you will do?
I will do it in 4 parts, and we just divided in like this half. So we will also divide it in like this half.
Okay, now if I say there are 4 persons to eat, so Ayush, you tell me there are 4 persons to eat the same chapati. So when you divided the whole chapati, how many parts you will divide it?
4.
4. Each part will be how much? What
1 by
fraction?
4.
1/4. Yes. I remove. Have you noticed that? I removed that. Have you noticed that I removed that half? अब 4 लोग हैं. 4 persons are there. Yes.
Yes.
पहले ये complete चपाती थी. Please mute your mic. Initially it was complete chapati, and then I divided into the 4 equal parts, and I gave 1/4 part to each. How much part each got?
1/4.
तो आपको इसको समझने आ रहा है how to read this chapati chart?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I know how to read the pie chart.
Yes. Thank you,
ma'am.
children.
I also.
Thank you for today's class. Tomorrow we will continue this.